Have you ever wondered why a loved one suffering from Alzheimer's disease seems to struggle with simple motor skills or experiences issues with incontinence? To understand this, it's crucial to delve into the complex and often heartbreaking world of Alzheimer's disease and its impact on the brain. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive disorder that causes brain cells to degenerate and die. This relentless assault on the brain results in a continuous decline in thinking, behavioral and social skills, and most notably, the ability to function independently. One of the most striking symptoms of this disease is the loss of motor skills, which includes the ability to walk properly. So what exactly happens in the brain that causes this loss of motor skills? It all boils down to the destruction of nerve cells in the brain. When a person has Alzheimer's disease, protein deposits known as plaques and tangles build up in the brain, causing nerve cells to die. These cells are crucial for transmitting messages that control everything from memory and thinking to movement. When these cells die, the messages can't get through, leading to difficulties with motor skills. Now let's shift our focus to another common symptom of Alzheimer's disease: incontinence. Incontinence, or the loss of bladder or bowel control, is often an unfortunate side effect of Alzheimer's disease. Much like the loss of motor skills, incontinence stems from the death of nerve cells in the brain. When the brain can no longer effectively communicate with the muscles that control the bladder or bowel, incontinence can occur. This can be exacerbated by other factors such as medications, physical conditions, and the general stress and confusion that comes with Alzheimer's disease. In a nutshell, Alzheimer's disease is a battle against the brain's own cells, leading to a myriad of symptoms that can include the loss of motor skills and incontinence. The crux of these symptoms lies in the death of nerve cells, which disrupts the brain's communication pathways and hinders the body's ability to function properly. To summarize, the loss of motor skills and incontinence in Alzheimer's patients can be attributed to the degeneration and death of nerve cells in the brain. These cells are responsible for transmitting signals to control movement and bladder or bowel function, and their loss disrupts these crucial pathways. It's a sobering reminder of the devastating effects of Alzheimer's disease and the immense challenges faced by those living with this condition and their caregivers. Remember, understanding these symptoms is a step towards providing better care and support for individuals with Alzheimer's disease. So, continue to educate yourself and never underestimate the power of compassion and patience when dealing with this challenging disease.